So you must have seen in the recent times there have been a lot of language learning apps which have come up, but I've seen a common problem with all of them, and that's why I am today building a language learning app in this video, and you can follow along. We are going to build this using Replit because Replit has recently launched their Agent 4 and it is just amazing. You can design inside it, you can have multiple tasks, multiple agents running inside it. You can actually make changes in the design canvas that you have, and agent will automatically code it out for you. Earlier everything was separate. You had to create a product separately for web, for app. You had to build a presentation separately, and when you are doing design, you had to do design somewhere else, right? Now you can do everything in a single place, and that too collaboratively. You can share it with your team. So we'll walk through it, we'll build it together. Let's start it without any further ado. Hi guys, I'm Nishant Chahar. Welcome back to the channel. Let's start the video. So we have logged into Replit. What we are trying to build is we want to build a language learning app for English. Let's start with designing the app. It has already given it a name, which is LinguaQuest. Sounds good because it's a game where you are learning languages. So welcome to the canvas, add frames to organize, and you can actually draw inside it. If you don't like something, agent can see it and it will update the app accordingly. So great, I have a clear picture of the project. Now let's think about it. We will be building, starting with the design process. We are building an English learning app with gamification. I'll design key screens for you. Cool. So it is building the 3 screens for us. And the best part about Replit is you can actually do it everything on your phone as well. As you can see, it has started building on my phone. I can leave my desktop. If I see everything is fine, I can just give it a task that this looks good. You can keep on building. It will keep on building, and you can do other work if you want to do. So here are all the screens that we have. As you can see, it has that purplish blue tint. We don't want that. We want the app to be minimalistic. So what we are going to do is we are going to chat with it, right? So I'll just scan all of this and say we want the app to be minimalistic, and we'll say that, and it will update these screens now before starting to actually build these screens out. So it has already started working on the backend as well, because we don't want to change backend that much. That is already decided. And as you all know, Replit already has OpenAI and other LLM integrations which it directly uses in the backend. Whenever you are creating any AI app, you can actually use LLMs directly, and the credits that you have on Replit will be used whenever you are calling an LLM, and you don't have to add your API keys. It takes care of all that in the background itself. Plus, as you can see, you can have multiple chats. So I've already ran one of the agent. I can run another agent, give it another task if I want to. Currently I don't want to. Currently we just want to complete the designing first so that we can do much more. And I can give it inspiration as well. For example, it's an infinite canvas actually, so you can draw wherever you want. For example, I want to give it an idea of the landing page. What I want to do, I want an owl here, or lines, and all this I'll ask it to create. So I have spin up another agent which will start working on creating a design for us. It has created building a landing page. I'll click on start and it will start doing that. This is another agent which is working right now, and we have our main version here. This is much more minimalistic, as we can see. If I want to preview this app, I can preview, click on continue learning. This is the app which it has already created for us. This is the progress we can track. These are all the lessons that we have, and we also have our rank. All this is I think hard coded right now, but we can actually connect it with other things. Also, there is a task board here where you can see all the tasks. You can give multiple tasks, you can create new tasks, and multiple agents can run parallelly, which was not possible earlier, and that is great. If I have multiple tasks in my mind, I can just write them down and it will start working on those parallelly. But I really like the web page. This is actually good. I like it. There are things that we can change for sure, but I like this. The first version is good. What I want to do is I want to have a nav bar. So I'll do that. I'll go on the canvas. The screen size is a bit flawed, but we can fix it. Also, we want to have a consistent design across, right? So I have given it the next task, and this was all done in like 20 minutes, and we actually have a game which we can play. Like, there are things which we want to change because it is very similar to other language learning apps. We started from here and we are now here, right? And which is very different from the initial design it created and the more polished design that we have. And it is actually checking whatever is right or wrong, and like testing the app out too. Yeah, so we have our light mode as well now. Nice, looks more clean. I don't like the fonts. I think the fonts earlier were better. I want to use Inter. So yeah, it has updated. It has used Inter now, and Inter looks much more premium than earlier. I think it's actually a good version. We can publish it. We have the home page as well. This is a bit skewed. I don't know why. The frame. We can actually chat with the frame itself. Get started. We have our app. There is everyday vocabulary, present tense mastery, business English, and all this was generated with just single prompt. Crazy way. And this is actually a web version. What we can do is we can just click here, this into a mobile app. So it will spin up another task, convert the code into a mobile app, will actually connect database and actually connect other things as well. And we can like keep on building on this. If this was done in like 15-20 minutes, we can build on top of it. And we have so many integrations that we can actually connect. As you can see, there are multiple integrations like your GitHub, Gmail, Confluence, Discord, 11 Labs. You can actually add 11 Labs integration to it and make it a speech-to-speech version. Currently, it's just text one. Plus, there are so many MCP servers also available, like for Stripe, your Linear, Notion, Atlassian, Micro, Posthog. So it has created, convert this into an Expo app. I'll click on Start Building. Here is the plan. We can see the plan. Done. Looks like a working mobile app, artifact registered and visible in the preview. Bro, this is so good. So this would have taken so much time if I had to code it out, but it understood everything that I wanted in a single text, and it actually created it. So I click on Get Started, click on one of these. Cool, I think the app looks good. Once this is done, you can actually publish your app by just clicking on Publish, and it will publish it to App Store if you have your App Store set up. It is done. We'll click on Preview, and here it is. This actually looks really cool and really good. As you can see, this looks so clean. The mobile UI looks so much better. We can play the game. We can check our ranks. We have our progress, badges. Like, there are small issues which can be fixed, but all this was done in like 30 minutes now. If you want to try this out, there is a link in the description which you can go and check out for sure. This will get fixed. The mobile app looks much better than the web app. I love it. You should definitely try out Replit, and it is actually amazing. My mind is blown after building all this. It literally took so less time. So you can build apps for yourself. If you want to build something, you can build it, publish it to App Store, start earning from it from today. I think you should do it. And not just this, you can do multiple other things as well. I want to create a launch video. It can create launch videos, it can create PPTs for you. If you think this idea is good, you want to share it, you want to get investment, you can do that and build it on top of it. So building MVPs and building real world apps is so much easier now. I've asked it to create a video for me, and I think it has started working on the video. Another thing I like about Replit is that it has a shared context. Now, when I wanted to build a mobile app, I did not tell Replit anything else. When I wanted to create a video for the launch, I did not tell it anything else. And it is taking the context from the previous starts that we had and using that context. there are some small issues, but all this was built using the agent. So I like it. I like the video, and it is finally working on my phone as well. The agent was able to fix all the issues. As you can see, here is our dashboard, here are all the learning lessons that we have, here is our progress and the ranks. There are some things which are missing, but I think we'll be able to fix all this. So it can also create other things. So now you don't have to jump between apps. You can just use Replit and build so many things. You can build videos for your project, you can build presentations for your projects, you can build your mobile apps, web apps, everything. If you want to try it out, the link is in the description. Do check it out. You get $10 off on your subscription in the first month. So for $10 you can try out and actually build something, publish it and start earning. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one.